So check this out, guys. This website has brought me already a couple thousand clicks, and as you can see right here, I started doing this method on January 22nd, so in just a little under in a month, I was able to get a couple thousand clicks to my affiliate links without spending a single cent for traffic. And if I go to my Warrior Plus account, you can see today I already made $60, but considering it's still morning, the day is just getting started. Yesterday I was able to make over $150 using this method, but that's not all. If I'm going to go all the way down here, you can see I've been getting these consistent sales using this method, and if you take a look at this, it evens out at around $100 per day, considering some of these days were a little bit slower, but some of these were a little higher. But one day, actually the February the 15th, was absolute beast of a day. I made almost $500 using this method, and in today's video I'm going to show you what this website is, how exactly can you set up this method to replicate these results that I just showed you. And actually, guys, this is a secret underground method that I have never seen before used anywhere in affiliate marketing, and that's one of the reasons why it's so powerful, because nobody is using this. Not only I'm going to show you how to promote your affiliate links to the right traffic very efficiently, I'm going to show you how you can turn this method into a full-scale business, because there is a simple trick that I'm going to show you that you can use to kickstart your business too. And all of this is completely free without having to pay a single cent for anything, and I'm going to show you all the tools and an entire step-by-step process how to do this. So if you're looking forward to this, make sure to smash that like button under this video, and also to never miss out on any of my future uploads, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well, so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, you'll be one of the first to see it and make the most amount of money. So first of all, go to your favorite affiliate marketplace. You can do this for Warrior Plus, you can do this for any other affiliate marketplace out there, you can do this for ClickBank, for Digistore, or any other affiliate marketplace that you may want to use. But today I'm going to show you exactly what I did to get the results that I showed you earlier, so you can go ahead and copy exactly what I did with affiliate marketplace of your choice. So if you're going to use Warrior Plus for this, just go to warriorplus.com, and you may want to sign up for your free account if you don't have one already. If you have an account, just simply go log into your account, and once you're in your account, you want to go to affiliate offers right here. Once you get to affiliate offers, you want to pick something that's going to be selling very well. Now at this point in time, anything in the make money online niche, because Warrior Plus promotes mostly offers based on make money online niche, at this moment everything that has to do with AI is selling pretty well. So for example, let's say I'm going to promote AI Buddy, ChatGPT powered app. Just simply click on it, and I already have my affiliate link right here because I've been promoting this product in the past. But what you want to do is just simply click on the request. You will have a request button right here. Write a short introduction, who you are and what you do, and kindly ask permission to promote the affiliate offer. And once you get approved, you get your affiliate link right here. Now you can use this method to promote any affiliate niche out there. You can do this for weight loss, you can do this for dating and relationships, you can do this for spirituality, you can do this literally for anything. So just go ahead and pick a niche that you want to promote, find a good affiliate product, and get its affiliate link. Then what you want to do is just go to Google and look for exactly this website. Type in there Quizmaker and look for this website right here that's called quizmaker.com. Just go to this website, and since I'm assuming you're watching this video, you've never seen this website before, so what you want to do is just click on these three lines right here, click on dashboard/login, and what you want to do is just simply register for your free account, select sign up, and use your email, preferably Gmail or any other email that you may want to use, select a password, click on get started, and you will get your account. Once you do that, just simply go to login and log into your account, and this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Right here you can see all the quizzes that I created and I'm running right now to promote various affiliate offers, and here you can see all the thousands of clicks that I've been getting thanks to this website. This website is an incredible powerful tool that you can use to promote affiliate offers, and not only it is very efficient in promoting affiliate offers, it has a secret feature that I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds that is going to help you skyrocket your promotions. So what you want to do is just simply click on new quiz right here, and we are going to create a simple quiz. Now actually, to make this as legitimate as possible, you want to have at least a couple of questions. So if you want to, just go ahead and write in a couple of questions with multiple answers. But if you don't want to do that, just simply go to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT create the quiz for you. What you want to do is just simply go to this prompt bar and type in exactly this. Please write me a 10 quiz questions related to topic, is affiliate marketing the right choice for you, with 3 answers for each. Then just hit enter and let ChatGPT do its thing. As you can see right here, it's going to create all these questions with the right amount of answers that you can use to create a very simple quiz about affiliate marketing. Now what you want to do now, just simply go ahead and copy all of these questions and answers to this quiz design template. But first, what you want to do is just name it something. So I'm going to name it, is affiliate marketing the right way for you to make money? And then I'm going to select quiz type, and you need to select score and grade. Then what you want to do is just simply add question, multiple choice question, and now into these fields you want to copy this text created by ChatGPT for you. So just simply go ahead and copy the first question, write it in there, and then just copy the answers one by one, start pasting them into the correct answer fields, the second question as well. Once you paste the second question, more of these fields will appear. So as many answers as you want, you can put them all in there, but I'm going to stick with 3 because that's the right amount of answers in my opinion. So I'm going to use 3 answers. Then what you want to do is just simply click on set score and you want to select the correct answer. So for example, what is affiliate marketing? Out of these questions, the right answer is a way to promote other people's products and earn a commission. So I'm just going to click that and then just simply click back to quiz and it's going to get marked as a correct answer. Now what you want to do is just simply copy all of these questions and answers from ChatGPT into this quiz design forum. So just simply click on add question, select multiple choice, go back to ChatGPT, copy the question. Then once you finish copying and pasting all the questions along with the answers and marking the correct answer for each of these questions, what you want to do is go up here. Into the themes and you want to select a theme for your quiz. For example, I've been using this one with the notepad on it and it's looking very nice because you want this to look enticing to the eye. So just go ahead and select one of these themes that you like the most and then click on save. Then what you need to do is just go to leads right here and you want to select lead capture. This is actually the secret trick that I've been using to skyrocket my sales because I've been capturing emails of everyone who completed the previous quizzes that I have created. Then I sorted them into an email list based on the niche of the quiz that I have created and I started an email campaign for that email list promoting various affiliate offers so I can get multiple sales. So actually this is one of the reasons why this website is so powerful because it allows you to create a quiz and also capture email addresses. So if you want to do the same, just simply click on lead capture and write here something like enter your best email to receive the result. Okay, then just go to results right here. You want to delete this block. We don't want score to be showing and what you want to do is just simply click on add content and add thank you message and write there something like this. Congratulations, you have passed the quiz. Then what you want to do is go to this action/email section and click on action/email and you want to select email results to me and other. This is very important. You want to select me/other. Don't select any of these, just simply select this one and it's going to give you this very simple autoresponder that's going to email the result of the quiz to anybody who completed it and it's also going to email you their email address along with the results as well. This is one part of how to actually make money with this because this is the long game. You want to collect as many email addresses as possible based on the niche and then you can start promoting your affiliate offers to them directly through email and you will know they are qualified traffic because actually they completed a quiz. So for example, if this was a weight loss quiz, they will be looking to lose weight so you can promote weight loss offers. If this is a money making quiz, they're looking to make some money so you can start promoting them money making offers. Then what you want to do is just go to the settings right here, scroll all the way down here, turn on sharing/social media because you want people to be able to share this quiz on social media to get a lot more traffic to it. Then what you want to do is go all the way down here and in this redirect to URL afterwards, you just turn it on and you will be presented with this field right here where you can put your affiliate link. So after somebody is going to finish the quiz, they will be taken directly to a sales page of the product that you want to promote. So just simply choose a affiliate marketplace and choose a affiliate product that you want to promote. So for example, if I'm going to promote this product right here, I'm just going to copy this affiliate link, paste it right here and click on OK and it's going to embed it into the quiz. That's pretty much all you need to do. Just simply click on save right here and scroll all the way up and click on share and now you get this link that you can use to direct traffic to your quiz. Before I show you how to do that, I'm going to show you how this quiz is going to work. I'm just going to view it and as you can see, it's going to look something like this. You can see you can share it on social media using these buttons right here. And if I'm going to complete the quiz, I'm just going to click on random answers for the sake of not making this video too long, but I want to show you how it exactly works. So I'm just going to fill it out real quick and once I'm going to finish this quiz, you can see that I have to enter my best email to receive the result. Now if I'm actually going to fill in some email address, for example, I'm going to use some kind of dummy address, for example email@emails.com to see results, I can see my score is 6 and the results have been also emailed to the address that I have put in. But, and now comes the best part, if I go to my Gmail, this is the Gmail address that I have used to register on quizmaker.com, you can see I received this email right here that this person with this email address has completed the quiz with a success rate of 60%. Now I don't really care about these answers right here because they are just a way to capture somebody's attention. Actually, you can use this to create a legitimate quiz if you want somebody to qualify for something if you're selling higher ticket products. But because I'm promoting just simple products using this process, the important part is that I've been able to capture this email right here so I can add it to my email list, and also that I've been directed to the sales page of this product just because I embedded the quiz with this link. Now actually you can use multiple ways to drive traffic to this link to this quiz. You can share it on any social media that you want. So for example, if I'm going to copy this, then I'm going to go to Facebook and I'm going to look for some make money online online groups. Just hit enter and you can see there's so many of these make money online groups right here, and most of them do not allow affiliate links. As soon as you're going to share an affiliate link in one of these groups, your post will get deleted or you may get right away banned. But because I'm sharing an innocent link to my quiz that I have created, my post is not going to get removed. So I'm just going to go, for example, to this one with 146,000 followers, and I'm just going to create a simple post, something like this. Hey guys, I've been thinking about starting affiliate marketing. I'm not sure if I have all what it takes to do this. Can you give me some advice on how to start, please? Actually, if you're going to ask somebody for their advice, they're going to feel involved with you. That's the reason why this is a powerful trick. If you want, just go ahead and pause this video right now, copy this exact text that I've used right here and use it to promote your quiz, and then just go ahead and paste the link to your quiz right here. Then you want to simply just post this to Facebook or any other social media you want, and that's pretty much all you need to do here. Just start posting the link to your quiz on social media in the relevant groups, so people will start coming to this website. They will start filling out the quiz, because why not? While I'm there, might as well go ahead and finish this quiz. Once they get to the end, they will want to see the results, so they will put in their email address, and also they will be directed to the sales page of the product of your choice, and you can start making lots of money with this method very easily. Now actually, let me just hop over to my Warrior Plus account, because I want to see if I will be able to capture a live sale on this video. I'm just going to refresh this page real quick. And it's there, guys, look at that, and it's there. I just made $22 and some change while I was recording this video. You can see, guys, this method is working, so just go ahead, take action, put it to work, and after you make some money with this, do return to this video, and down in the comments, do let me know how much money you have made using this. Now, if you are hungry for some more top-notch money-making content, just make sure to check out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.